Hi, this is Dan Blimman, and it's just going to be a really quick tutorial on how you can set up your AdWords account and put the remarketing code on all of your pages so that you're able to start building the audiences in preparation for running display type remarketing in the future. Just to reiterate that this is something that should be done regardless of whether or not you even care about AdWords. Just because it is something that you can set it and forget about it for the whole of next year, the whole of 2018. You've got up to 540 days to use the audience that you create that get tagged by the pixel. So you might as well start building it today, and that's why this sort of tutorial is been created, because there's a lot of missed opportunity by people who aren't using this, who are just building audiences with their Facebook ads but forgetting about Google. So that's why this training was created anyway. So I've got a big My Client Center, which is one of those big accounts. So I can manage different people's AdWords accounts. So you'll just have to do a Google search for Google AdWords, set up an account. That's the really basic thing. And yeah, I'll walk you through now how it is that you actually get in and get that code. So once you have your account and you have your campaign set up and everything, you want to click this button here, go to the shared library, go to the audience manager, and yeah, this is the code that we're looking for. Once you've set up that tag, you just want to post this onto every page on your site, so that goes into the header of you can get your web dev to do that for you if you want. Yeah, and then that covers pretty much everything. So in the future, further down the line, when you have left it for a while and it starts building the list, you can come back and then start getting a bit more creative with the remarketing. The idea for today is just to start building that list, and once that tag is everywhere, you can come back and do page specific remarketing in the future. So I'll give you an example of that. Let's say further down the line, it's an example of an investing website. So let's say further down the line you have left your remarketing code running for a while, like this one. So these guys have got what's that, all visitors. They've got 62,000 people who visited their website who they can advertise to on the display. So let's say you want to get a bit more funky with it a year later and decide, I want to find out how many people have visited this page. Well, you can come back and create that as a specific page like I have done here, and then wait for that to update. And then you can start tailoring specific remarketing campaigns depending on how the visitor interacted with your site. So if you have something related to mutual funds to sell, for example, you could find everybody that's visited the page and sell them that. But that's further down the line. For today, you just need to make sure you get that all visitors tag enabled. There might be a bit of confusion because this interface here is the old interface and that one is the new interface I showed you. But for now, all you need to worry about to save it from being too complicated is just to get this code and put it in the header of your website, and then just leave it, forget about it, and come back when you want to.